country roads.
Yes.
Mad speed limits.
So every day, every time, situation is different.
Yeah.
So just take me to the test center. I just want to see your independent driving, okay?
Yeah, of course.
So which way you gonna go now?
How much am I paying for the test? Because I know I've got the car for like 3 hours, but I don't know what the standard is for that.
So for the 3 hour, then I'm gonna send you a message when I go home, okay?
Okay, all right.
About the test or
That's fine.
so
So
it's 3 hours.
I've got the booking in the
yes.
calendar thing, but I didn't understand.
Yeah.
Obviously, I've been doing the lessons for ages, so it's easy.
So
for me
9
to work
o'clock
that
is
out.
your test.
I think it's 9:10, but yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna pick you up 7 o'clock that morning. Let's see.
Yeah, get the jitters out, and then it's just half an hour in with the test, and just get it done.
If you want, I'll pick you up for 8. It depends on you but we just count like 2 hours. If you don't want to wake up really early, 8 o'clock I'll pick you up. We go to test center, do few maneuvers, and then
Okay. Yeah.
you need to decide this what time, okay? But usually we pick you up for 7 o'clock and then.
Yeah, I don't mind doing what you guys do.
Yeah, so we give you like 2 hours here and there, and then 1 hour you go for your test. So it's 3 hours total. My other student, she start really early today. Is this your phone?
No.
Suzuka, no. My phone is off.
It must have been. I don't know what it was doing.
So we're not touching the phone while we're driving. When we stop,
Yeah.
park up on the safe place on the left then. It's raining again today.
Every
Cold
day.
day, yeah. Okay, so whatever you're doing today, just talk to yourself and let me know as well what's going on, okay?
Okay.
This gonna help you a lot. Talk through.
Very busy this morning.
Yeah, no, for what reason? I don't know. Only here. Your position is fine, it's good. Only checking your mirrors a lot, especially on the left one. Every 5 seconds, just glance in your mirrors.
I think they're gonna fix the road a little bit when they put these cycle lanes in.
There's a big hole on the left everywhere, but they didn't fix them. They just left them like this.
We put all this money into making the cycle lanes there. You know, just only taking a day.
They're only concentrating on cycle lane, but not fixing the road. Which maneuver today with you in your test route?
I did parallel last time. I think I got pretty alright at it. I don't really have a preference, to be honest. I think I'm okay with.
Are you okay with parallel park, but you have to do one maneuver with every test route?
Yeah.
We treat it like as a test, so we do a full route and one maneuver include in it.
Reverse brake part, maybe.
Yeah, that's fine. When you're driving, just keep your hands on wheel, okay? Don't let it off because it's not safe then. Still working. Work is not finished yet on this junction.
They'll never finish work round here.
For years they do it and then it's not finishing.
Yeah. They're taking the crossing out here.
Yeah, they made this look cycle lane.
Okay.
Cycle lane from here till there.
It's crazy.
No place for pedestrian to cross. The light is green. I think they're moving slowly. The lane is full.
That'll be red all.
Yeah, our lane is open. Light is green, but something happened, I think. Yeah, bus is moving now. Okay.
Even these lanes are tiny now because of that.
Yeah, and how can 3 cars fit in one time in here?
You can't? Like if there's a bus
Yeah.
here, no one's fitting here.
Because they increased this cycle lane, so they took more place. So the less space and less extra and more traffic.
Yeah.
Yeah, and look at this cycle lane. They're taking this space. The cyclists are here now.
At least people are using it. No one uses it.
Yeah, few cyclists. Keep a little bit to the right. You are really close with the with the curb. You just scrape a curb a bit. So that's why we check in our left mirror. That's fine. And then keep going. Because on test day, if you go really close with the curb and hit the curb and you do a full route, everything fine, with only hitting the curb, it's a test fail. So we don't want to do that on the test.
Scraping the curb?
Yeah, if you hit the curb. Because he's looking here, he's looking everywhere, the examiner. And when you hit the curb or scrape the curb, he's gonna think that he's not looking in his mirrors, his observations are weak. So we only increase our observation. Especially when you see that your car is next to the curb, just quickly check for your position. Are you away from the curb or you are still next to the curb? If you're really close, then slowly move out and give yourself space. So it's only looking in observation. Otherwise, if you're not looking, then he's looking at your face. And we got this mirror here, so we look at you where you're looking. And he looked through this mirror as well. No, we need to look at the student if they're looking or not.
Yeah.
It's really important, especially observations. And now again we keep a little bit to the right. If you feel that your car's going to the left, then we keep the car to the right. Keep going ahead. And at the roundabout we are turning left. Yes, first exit. And what's the speed on this road? Yeah, again, I think both lanes open today.